So, hello guys, we're back. So, Cambridge Checkpoint Science Paper 1, we were doing this in October 2020, Paper 1. Let's move on to the next question. Is Yep, question number 11. Plants have a life cycle. One part of the life cycle is shown in the diagram. So, here we can see the plants growing from the seed, from the seed itself, write down the name of this part of the life cycle. So, we'll say this is germination. We'll say that this is germination. What do plants need for this part of the life cycle? In germination, you need sunlight, obviously. You need sunlight. You don't need water. Don't write water for germination. Don't write water, and don't write you need oxygen. No, in germination, the plants don't need oxygen or water. We'll say they need a warmth temperature or a correct temperature. I say right warmth temperature so that it will guarantee more that your answer will be correct. Warmth temperature. Okay. Moving on. Question number 12. Hassan has a sample of a liquid. Name the piece of equipment he uses to accurately measure 50 centimeter cube of the liquid of this liquid. So this thing he uses to accurately measure. So if I'm not wrong, when you're in a lab, um, there's so many apparatus, so many apparatus. We can say that he have to use for accurately measurement measuring cylinder will be the better option for this measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder. Hassan heats the liquid until it boils. Look at the reading on the thermometer when the liquid is boiling. Okay, what write down the boiling point of the liquid? It's between 100 and 304. Can we say 103.5? We just have to write. Um, I mean, it's my estimation, but yeah, it's correct. 103.5. Moving on. Question number 13. Jamila uses a sound level to measure the volume of a sound in different places. Here are her results. So, if you want to measure the volume of sound, right? So, you have to measure in dB. dB is decibels. Um, in Write dB, write in short form. The full form of dB is actually is decibels. Decibels. Jamila has not put the unit for the volume of the sound into the table. Complete the table. Okay, done. Now moving on to the next question. Jamila plays the violin. What does Jamila do to change the pitch of the note she is playing? Take Take the correct three answers. Pulls the bow. This is the bow across the string harder. Uh, I think it will make. It won't change the pitch, but yes, it will be more louder. And pulls the bow across the string softer. No, it will make it more slow, and more slow means less pitch. Use a thicker ring. Thicker ring, yes, you can say that. Yes, use a thinner ring. Yes, um, it will make the sound more quick. I hope you understand. Like it will make the speed of the sound more quicker, more how to say more faster. Causes uses her fingers to change the length of the string. Yeah, for all these three, not these two. This one is obviously wrong. So yeah, right. Moving on to the next question. Here are five electrical circuits: A, B, C, and D and E. So Chan draws this electrical circuit diagram. Okay. So which electrical circuit has Chan drawn? So we can see this one is in series. Why am I saying series? Because these two bulbs are connected in series. They are not parallel, meaning they are not opposite to each other. They're connected in like the wires passing through them directly. So they're not facing each other oppositely. Which electric circuit has Chen drawn? Can we say A? I mean, it's either A or is it C? Because B, there's only one light bulb, and yeah, there are two. D is obviously wrong. One light bulb, one light bulb. Yeah, this is obviously wrong. So you have two options, A or C. Why am I saying A is the answer? So look here. L- how many? So you have two cells, two cells here, and this one's showing only one cell. No, actually need two cells. Sorry. From looking at this, there are two cells. See, this is one cell. This is second cell. All right. Next question. So yeah, sorry, I forgot to say. The answer is A. Moving on to the next question. B. Which electric circuit has the brightest lamp? Brightest lamp, you say. So, uh, as you can see in A, there are two cells with two light bulbs on it. So, electrical energy, or we can say current, which is being supplied by these cells, is distributed equally to the lamps. So yeah, it is equally, and here as well. But this one is lesser because there's only one cell. This one cell and one light bulb. So I believe this for B, it has two cells and one light bulb. So there's no second bulb here. The uh, so the electric current is not distributed. So only one is getting a lot of current. Yeah, so we can say B. E, there only no. This one is not possible. There are two switches. No, and D is incorrect. Incorrect. So yeah, B is correct because two cells providing a lot of current and only light bulb is getting that. So B is the answer For the question P, this is the answer. So always look at the circuits properly. What is the name of this electric symbol M? This is motor. Question number 15. Look at the picture of the polar bear. The polar bear is suited to its environment. Complete the sentence. The polar bear has thick fur to reduce losing heat, or it protects the bear from the cold, because as you can see most of the polar bears are found in uh, countries which such as Greenland. So this much is very cold there. So in order to keep their or keep the bodies warm, they need they have thick fur. So we can say that it keeps them warm, to keep it warm, or keep keep it warm, keep it warm, or reduce or protect it from the cold, or protects it to protect to protect it from the cold. From the cold. Okay. Complete the sentence. The polar bear does not sink into the snow because it's not sinking because it has. I mean, even if it does sink in the snow, it can easily recover from there. How? Because bears, especially polar bears, have long, or we can say they have big paws. They have huge paws or large paws. So it can easily recover from even if he sinks in the so it's not possible for him to sink in the snow. So it has large paws, or big paws. Moving on to the next question. I think this moving on to the next question. Yep. Okay. Pierre climbs mountains. He boils water when he is camping on mountain. He notices that the water boils at different temperatures. He writes down the height of the mountain and the temperature that the water boils. Uh, Here's the page from the notebook. So he boils the water when he's camping on a mountain. He notices the water boils at different temperatures. He writes down the height of the mountain and the temperature that the water boils. So I believe the height of the mountain is actually playing a big factor on the temperature that the water boils. So here we can see that 500 meter the water boils at 98 degrees. So as the height of the mountain increases, the temperature that the water needs to be boiled at decreases. So as this one is increasing, this one decreases, meaning uh, they're indirectly proportional. The height of the mountain and the temperature of the water. So complete the table with the pure results. Include the heading. We'll say uh, for the heading, we'll say height, or we can say height or distance in meters, because it is distance we are talking about. So let's say height. You can write distance as well. Height in meters. I have wrote height here, but you can write distance as well. Height in meters. uh, Temperature or boiling point in degrees. So I write boiling point better. You can write temperature in degrees, Celsius degrees as well. Point. Boiling point in Celsius degrees. So 500 meters is 98, 97,000. Sorry, 95. 93 for 2000, and for 2500 we have 90. I'm moving on. All right. Pierre, Pierre makes a conclusion. The temperature of the boiling water increases the higher I'm up the mountain. Uh, the boil temperature, like I said, it is the more the more higher you're going, meaning the more the more your height, your more uh, the height in meters increasing, the boiling point is decreasing. At 2,500 meters, or 2,500 at meters, we have 91 boiling point, and at 500 height in meters, we have 98 boiling point. So you can see the decrease in boiling point as the height in meters increasing. So yes, we do not support his claim, his conclusion. So no. Why? Because the temperature decreases as he gets higher. Moving on to the next question. Question number 17. The diagram shows a part of the flower. Which part of the flower is a male organ? Oh, okay. Circle the correct answer. B is not. D is a. C is a petal. Or D. A is the answer because this one is a male organ where the where pollen grains they are like where pollen grains are formed. So which part of a flower is a female organ? B. Yeah, I was good. B. This is the part. Yeah. So moving on to the next question. Human Humans have a positive and negative effect on the environment. Which one of the following has a positive effect on the environment? Increasing waste? No. Littering? No at all. Causing loss of species? No. It affects the food web or the ecosystem. So no. Protecting habitats? Yes. You can say that is one mark. So increasing the energy use? No. Increasing energy use means most of the energy which we use, most of the energy that let's say uh, we need when we use cars or vehicles for the transportation, we need petrol or diesel, which comes from fossil fuels and which causes pollution. So no. So the answer is protecting the habitats. This is the only correct answer. Moving on. Question number 19. The picture shows a koala. Koalas have a skeleton similar to humans. Complete the sentences about the skeleton. About skeletons, choose from excretion, nutrition, protection, and sensory support. Skeletons are needed for movement, protection, and they're needed for support. The skeleton supports us and our muscles. Moving on. Choose the correct sentences about skeletons. Choose from okay to move the skeleton. The body needs muscles. Like I said, it suppose the skeleton supports our body, especially muscles. In it. So this is the end of it. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and share with your friends and families. Thank you.